Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I am unboxing all my Bath & Body Works candles, and it's fall candle time, guys. My favorite time of year at Bath & Body Works. This is when I will go crazy and buy like 6 candles at once. And I got these candles when the sale was going on, where you get them for like $12.95 each, which is insane and such a good deal. They do that sale about, I think it's like 2 to 3 times a year, and it's just like when you want to stock up on the candles because they're half price. So let's get into this Bath & Body Works candle haul. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sarah Braxton and I'm all about the hauls on my channel. I also like to do day in the lives, and I like to do cooking videos too. If that sounds good to you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And let's get into this Bath & Body Works haul. I got 6 different candles during the sale. I ordered them online and they came in a nice big, nicely packaged box. Every single candle was in its own little box to keep it safe from breaking on the way, which I really appreciate. I think that's kind of new, and it's probably because of the pandemic and so many people ordering online. So the first candle that I picked out is an oldie but a goodie, and this is Sweater Weather, which is so good, guys. This is like an OG Bath & Body Works candle. If you have not smelled this candle, you have to go smell it. It's so good. A perfect candle for fall and winter. I think it's perfect for winter as well because it has like a crisp smell to it. Oh, it smells so good. So this has like a smell that definitely brings you into the winter months because it smells a little bit like going out in the woods and smelling like fresh trees. So this candle says Sweater Weather, fresh sage, juniper berries, aromatic eucalyptus, fresh woods with natural essential oils. So just like I said, guys, this smells like going out in the woods, and it smells like you're going to pick out your Christmas tree. It just smells so good. So yeah, Sweater Weather, definitely recommend that one. Okay, and then the next candle I picked out, this is called Marshmallow Fireside, and this is so good, guys. This one's so unique. This one smells like toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, crystallized amber with natural essential oils. So this one smells like a campfire plus like a sweet marshmallow smell, like all mixed together, and it's just so unique and I love it. Last time I got it in a different, I think it had marshmallows on the front. I don't know what it had on the front, but it had like a smoke gray wax. This time it's a white wax, and it has the 3 wicks, of course. These all have 3 wicks. 14.5 ounce candles that are usually $25.50 each. But like I said, I got them on sale, half price, and I just love stocking up because these candles are so expensive otherwise. Okay, so this time around, I picked out so many of my like favorites from Bath & Body Works, like the ones I've already gotten because they're so good. This one is Leaves. I'm so excited to have this one again. Oh, this one smells like you're outside picking apples. You're at like a farm market, and there's fresh apple cider, there's like cinnamon, and just, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I highly recommend the scent Leaves. Leave me a comment down below which one you love and what's your favorite Bath & Body Works candle. Love this one. Okay guys, this is a new one this year. This is a new scent that they have online. I don't know if this is in stores. I think it said online exclusive when I purchased this, but this is the White Caramel Cold Brew Candle. Like, if you love coffee, I love the smell of coffee. It is like one of my favorite smells. I actually used to hate that smell when I was a kid, but then I was a barista for many years before I had kids, and I fell in love with the smell of coffee. So anyways, this one smells so good, especially if you like caramel. I love like a caramel macchiato, and this one reminds me of a caramel macchiato if it was the taste of a caramel macchiato in a smell. This smells like coffee, caramel, and like whipped cream. Like, it is so good, guys. Get this candle. The scent is cold brew coffee, vanilla sweet cream, warm caramel drizzle with essential oils, which I think describes it perfectly, because I was saying like whipped cream, and that would be like the vanilla sweet cream part of it with the caramel and the coffee. So that just describes it perfectly. And I already burnt this one because I couldn't wait. I got my package and I had to burn it, and this one just makes your house smell like so yummy. My daughter smelled it when I lit it in the morning, and she came downstairs for breakfast and she was so excited because she thought something yummy was in the oven, and I felt bad because she was so excited because it made the house smell that good. I highly recommend it. This one is so yummy. Okay, and then I got Fall Farmhouse, which is so good, guys. This one I've had before, and this one reminds me of childhood when I would go to the Hallmark stores. I don't know if you grew up doing that. I used to just love going into Hallmark and picking out stickers. I used to have sticker books, and they would have like a wall of like super cool fancy stickers for your sticker book as a kid, and they'd have like all the Yankee candles and all the goodies there, and I just loved going to Hallmark as a girl. So I picked this out because it literally smells like going into a Hallmark store, and I just love the smell. It's so cozy and inviting, and it's called Fall Farmhouse. The scent to this one is Spice Pumpkin, Forest Pine Branch, Fresh Fall Air with essential oils. Yeah, I definitely smell the Forest Pine Branch and the Fresh Fall Air and the pumpkin-y, like cinnamony smell. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like, this one smells like home. Like it smells like cozy home. I just love this one. So Fall Farmhouse, definitely one of my favorites, and that's why I got it again, because I just love this one. I think this is like one of my top 2 favorites for sure. And then the other one would probably be Leaves, because that one is so comforting as well. So anyways, go get this one, Fall Farmhouse. Highly recommend it. Okay guys, last but not least is another new scent. This one is called the Perfect Autumn, and I don't think I've smelled this one yet. I'm so excited. So the scent to this one is fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, crisp apple, rich clove with essential oils. And this one, I don't think it was an online exclusive. I think it was just a new scent this year. So I could be wrong about that though, but I'm really excited to try this one out. This one reminds me of Leaves. Okay, so this one reminds me of Leaves, but a little bit more fresh and apple-y. This one has like more of a fresh apple smell, and it's really good though. I really like it. This is a good fresh one that's not like overpowering, and it definitely reminds me of Leaves, but a little less cinnamony. So this one smells more like fresh air plus fresh apples or something like that. It's really good, and it's not overly sweet. So if you don't like overly sweet candles, this one would definitely work for you. And yeah, the Perfect Autumn, I really like that one. That definitely smells like Halloween and you're going out trick-or-treating or something. That's just really fun. So that is my Bath & Body Works fall candle haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out so much more than you know. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And leave me a comment down below, guys. I love to hang out with you in the comments. Leave me your favorite candles. If I didn't mention one of them, I want to know, because I am always up for trying like the new scents when the sales roll around. So leave me a comment down below and let me know your faves, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.